disappointment, right? Other people actually lie because they don't want to disappoint other people. Because maybe, let's say, for an example, the society perceive you as this particular person of this particular reputation or stature, right? Now life turns out to be different, or that particular situation is not in favor of you in that particular moment. And it will show the shortcomings in your reputation, in your stature, and everything. So most of people lie in that particular line because they want to protect other people, or they don't want other people to be disappointed at them, and to also protect their own dignity as individuals. You get, and because they know that disappointment can also lead to broken trust. Because once you get disappointed by Moketsi Mpane, somehow you lose trust in, not in one area, but in other areas of his life. Because now